Hello guys. Hello. Uh yeah, college repair here. I'm just doing the unofficial unboxing for the total one-stop tool station. It is a 60-watt soldering station. Alright. And yeah, so this is a digital soldering station. I do believe. And I do believe it has a sleep mode and pretty much right. So without further ado, let's just get right into the unboxing, guys. So this is pretty much, this unboxing might not even see YouTube because yeah, my camera quality is bad, but right. So just pick this up. It's Easter. Happy Easter, everybody. Right. And you have here um a manual, right? Yeah, right. Well, what I've realized is that there is not a lot of information out there, well, in English I should say, for this specific model of soldering iron and or the soldering station. And I realized that, you know, I can do a just quick review of it, right? See what, and pretty much this is my first soldering station, guys. Please be lenient with me. I might be saying some things that I don't know and I might get them wrong, but yeah, usually we can just skip the paper. So this is what we're here for, to see. We can get this to focus. Can I maybe not. Well, alright, so this is the best I can do. So let's just go ahead and unbox the station here, and as you can see, this is what's in the box. So we got a base station, and alright guys, so I had to set up a little light because the phone quality is absolutely atrocious. So the first, oh, that's heavy. That's probably I'll call that about 5 pound. Yeah, that feels like about 5 pound. Here is the station, right? And yeah, I mean, first impressions, hmm, looks it looks fairly decent. I mean, I'm not really sure about these stickers, if them are gonna hold up, but yeah, that's the station. The next thing we have, I've seen about one other YouTube channel done a review on a model that is fairly similar. I'm pretty sure it's the exact same thing, but it's a different brand. I think it's called the C Lodi. I'll have the link to that somewhere in the description. You can just go down there and you see it. So here is the stand for the iron, and it is made out of I think it's full it should, well, I guess the base is made out of metal, and the top, no, it's interior. Okay, so it's entirely metal, right? We have our copper coils here to clean the tip, and I guess we get a piece of spongy material. This is it's dry now, so it feels like cardboard, right? Okay, so here you go. You guys can see the station, and last but not least, right, see if we can make some more space here. Last but not least is the soldering iron, and from what I've heard, you know, it does seem like it's fairly built. It should be able to. This should last me about um, at least 5 years, right? With proper care, and that's pretty much it, guys. So that's everything. I'm gonna just go ahead and plug these in just to get a quick what's that, feel or test out of the system. So alright, okay, so I was going to go ahead and get everything plugged up, but I forgot to mention, and just to show you guys this around on the back, right, the connector, right, fairly heavy duty power cord, you know, it's like 500. I think these go up to like two. Well, the card, I'm not sure what the card is rated for. Usually a good one of these should be able to do like 2000 watts or so. Alright, but we're not gonna be going anywhere close to that wattage. Right, we're sticking around 60. So yeah, the fuse that it's in here, I'm gonna figure out how to pull that and just let you know. So alright, so I was able to go ahead and plop, get the fuse out. I think it's a little glass fuse there. As I said, I don't really know the ratings are. Oh, I think there's a backup. So there's one in there currently being used, and it does come with what seems to be a spare. That's really convenient. Whoa. Okay. So that's the fuse, and you know, while I went for my screwdriver, I did decide to go ahead and get a little snack, the cheese crunches. Yeah, with the holiday raisin and peanuts. Yeah. So if you hear I'm eating, that's pretty much what I'm eating, and I'm gonna destroy this thing before you even get fused. So, bum, you just put it down, and there you go. So alright, so we're gonna get this thing wired up finally. Okay, guys, bum, and there we go. It is just as you see here, wired up, and we're gonna power it on for the very first time by flipping the switch. And there we go. It is, I believe, climbing right now to 230 degrees Celsius, and it's pretty much it. Now to test the properties, if it can heat up solder with flux, I'm gonna have to get some soldering wire for that, because I don't have any, and it's now Easter holiday. I just got this and everywhere is closed. And I'm gonna have to find out. Oh, I guess that's the timer, right? So it have a automatic sleep mode, right? Okay, so you see it's digital backlit. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna have to make a part 2 in explaining this. Old Western.